the ocean hums, a gentle rhythm where time succumbs. Golden sand whispers to my feet, salt in the breeze makes the world complete. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. Stars at night like a scattered glow, moonlight painting the tides below. Coconuts fall with a lazy thud. Life slows down where the heart feels good. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. No clocks, no phones, no endless race, just the rhythm of life in a sacred space. Laughter echoes through the trees, a melody carried by the evening breeze. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. Oh, 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 where the palm trees sway, feet in the sand, I let my worries stray. Colors of the sky, they paint my mind, lost in the rhythm, the peace I find. Yeah, vibes don't lie, they never do. Feel the rhythm, it's calling you. Let it take you, let it fly. Vibes don't lie, vibes don't lie, vibes don't lie, they never do. Feel the rhythm, it's calling you. Let it take you, let it fly. Vibes don't lie, vibes don't lie. The breeze whispers soft through the island air, secrets of the ocean beyond compare. Every heartbeat sinks with the tide. Under the moon, I let it all slide. Oh, so I breathe, so I stay. Let the moment light my way. Vibes don't lie, they never do. Feel the rhythm, it's calling you. Let it take you, let it fly. Vibes don't lie, vibes don't lie, vibes don't lie, they never do. Feel the rhythm, it's calling you. Let it take you, let it fly. Vibes don't lie, vibes don't lie. Oh, the stars that dance for free, the mango tree. Its song says we were born to be free. The waves crash soft, they hum a tune. The stars will shine, and so will you. When the road feels too long, when you think you don't belong, love will guide us, oh, it will find us, through the shadows, through the rain. Yeah, 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 yeah. Love will guide us, oh, can't divide us, feel it dancing in our veins. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Let the drum beat tell the story, let the wind blow off your worry, let the music pull you close. It's the love we need the most. Oh, waves rolling slow, they kiss the sand. The sun's a drummer in a lazy band. Sea breeze whispers secrets in my ear. Tell me where we go from here. We're sailing on an ocean of love. No map, no anchor, just stars above. Every wave says stay, don't run. An ocean of love, where we've just begun. Oh, where we've just begun. Oh, yes, we love where we've just begun. Your laughter's brighter than the morning sky. The rhythm of your heart makes the seagulls fly. I dive into your eyes and I get lost. Worth every wave, worth every call. Salt on my lips, sun on my skin. We're sailing on an ocean of love. No map, no anchor, just stars above. Every wave says stay, don't run. An ocean of love, where we've just begun. The tide pulls us closer every day. The moon keeps dancing in her sway. Let's drift, let's float, don't care where we go. The current knows the way to shore. We're sailing on an ocean of love. No map, no anchor, just stars above. Every wave says stay, don't run. An ocean of love, where we've just begun. Where we've just begun. Oh, yes, we love where we've just begun. The waves roll in, they kiss the sand. A salty breeze takes my hand. Palm trees sway like a gentle band. The sun dips low, the colors glow. Laughter echoes, it ends too soon. A mango sky, the clouds drift high. Life feels sweet under this white sky. Island sunshine, it's all I need. Golden skies and the ocean's creep. Island sunshine, calling me home, where the breeze and my soul can roam.
The sun is high, it paints the ground. Shadows stretch but make no sound. Feet in the sand, no shoes around. Keep on smiling, keep it wide. Let the rhythm be your guide. Oh, keep on smiling, keep on smiling. Clouds may come, they always go. Rain might fall, but flowers grow. Life's a dance, just take it slow. And if you stumble, that's alright. You'll find the groove by tonight. Keep on smiling, keep it wide. Let the rhythm be your guide. Oh, keep on smiling, keep on smiling. A little love, a little light, turns a wrong into a right. Even the moon needs a night. Keep on smiling, keep it wide. Let the rhythm be your guide. Oh, keep on smiling, keep on smiling. The sun is low, it paints the sky. Colors glow, oh, you and I. Feel the breeze, feel it sway. Whisper dreams, let's drift away. Underneath the fading light, we'll make the stars our guide tonight. Dance under the palm tree. Oh, feel the Footsteps off on the sand. Take my heart, take my hand. Ocean sings, waves in tune. Love is rising beneath the moon. Underneath the fading light, we'll make the stars our guide tonight. Dance under the palm tree. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. Flow, flow, flow. Dance under the palm tree. Stay. Let the music take us away.
Golden rays, they kiss my skin. Whispers of warmth, they pull me in. No shoes, no plans, just ocean's hymn. Viva soul, viva life. Viva soul, viva life. Feel the rhythm, no more strife. Let the waves wash your mind. Viva soul, viva life. Feel the rhythm, no more strife. Palm trees dance to the sky's embrace. Salty breeze, a gentle trace. Every worry fades, no time to chase. Oh, the sun, it never lies. It's where the truth in me resides. Oh, viva soul, viva life. Feel the rhythm, no more strife. Let the waves wash your mind. Sun sinks low in the sky so wide. Feet in the sand where the worries hide. Ocean hums a secret tune, chasing shadows of the moon. Reggae remedy for a heavy heart. Let the rhythm play its healing part. Feel the breeze, let it set you free. Reggae remedy. Just you and me. Just you and me. Raindrops tap on the rooftop tin, soft like a whisper under my skin. Every drop a nose, every beat's a cure.
the sound collide. Let it take you on a mellow ride. Reggae remedy for a heavy heart. Let the rhythm play its healing part. Feel the breeze, let it set you free. Reggae remedy. Just you and me. No rush, no race, just a gentle sway. We're living in the pulse of the waves today. Every beat a step, every chord a guide. Feel the reggae rising like a tide. Oh.
Sun dips low behind the hills, a golden wave. It softly spills, freedom whispers on the breeze. No lock, no wall, no hidden key. No chains can hold me, I am free. Like the wind that dances with the sea. No chains can hold me, watch and see. I rise endlessly. The earth beneath, it hums my name. Every step, it feeds my flame. I walk where stars and rivers meet. Barefoot heart, steady beat. Feel the rhythm in the ground. Feel it turning all around. No chains can hold me, I am free. Like the wind that dances with the sea. No chains can hold me, watch and see. I rise endlessly. A bird that soars knows no regret. Sky's the only debt I've met. Every breath a melody. I'm alive, unbound. Just let me be. No chains can hold me, I am free. Like the wind that dances with the sea. No chains can hold me, watch and see. I rise endlessly. palms where the ocean hums, a gentle rhythm where time succumbs. Golden sand whispers to my feet, salt in the breeze makes the world complete. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. Stars at night like a scattered glow, moonlight painting the tides below. Coconuts fall with a lazy thud. Life slows down where the heart feels good. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. No clocks, no phones, no endless race, just the rhythm of life in a sacred space. Laughter echoes through the trees, a melody carried by the evening breeze. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. Oh, oh, oh,
The sun is low, it paints the sky, colors glow, oh, you and I. Feel the breeze, feel it sway, whisper dreams, let's drift away. Underneath the fading light, we'll make the stars our guide tonight. Dance under the palm tree. Oh, feel the rhythm, let it flow, flow, flow. Oh, dance under the palm tree. Stay. Let the music take us away. Footsteps off on the sand. Take my heart, take my hand. Ocean sings, waves in tune. Love is rising beneath the moon. Underneath the fading light, we'll make the stars our guide tonight. Dance under the palm tree. Feel the
ocean hums, a gentle rhythm where time succumbs. Golden sand whispers to my feet, salt in the breeze makes the world complete. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. Stars at night like a scattered glow, moonlight painting the tides below. Coconuts fall with a lazy thud. Life slows down where the heart feels good. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take me, let the waves set me free. The island of dreams is calling to me. No clocks, no phones, no endless race, just the rhythm of life in a sacred space. Laughter echoes through the trees, a melody carried by the evening breeze. Take me to the island of dreams, where the sun always dances and the water gleams. Take